Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the volume profile indicator on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to a chart you wish to analyze. Next, locate the Studies menu, usually found at the top of your chart interface, and select Add Study. From there, search for Volume Profile in the list of available indicators and add it to your chart. You can then adjust its settings to fit your specific trading style and preferences. Once added, the volume profile displays crucial information directly on your chart. The value area highlights the price range where 70% of the trading volume took place, indicating fair value. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level with the most traded volume, acting as a significant magnet. High volume nodes, or HVN, show strong areas of agreement, while low-volume nodes, or LVN, reveal price levels where little trading occurred, often leading to faster price movement. Interpreting the volume profile can significantly enhance your trading decisions. High-volume nodes often act as strong support or resistance levels, as many participants traded there. Conversely, low-volume nodes suggest areas where price might move through rapidly due to less interest. The point of control is a critical level to watch, as price often revisits it. By analyzing the overall shape and distribution of volume, you can gain insights into market sentiment and confirm the strength of current trends. To maximize the effectiveness of the volume profile, consider combining it with other technical indicators like moving averages or oscillators for stronger confirmation signals. Experiment with the number of rows setting to adjust the granularity of the profile, finding what works best for your analysis. Remember, the volume profile is a powerful tool for understanding market structure and participant behavior. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough, plus other great deals. Also, try applying the volume profile across different time frames to observe how volume distribution shifts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.